Hey, this is Floyd Tucker with DreamSimplicity. I am here with the founder and principal of Second Derivatives, Peter Cohan.
Good morning.
Good morning. And we're just about to start the Great Demo workshop, but before we do, I had a couple questions for you.
Terrific. Fire away.
What is Great Demo?
Great demo. Do the last thing first is the essence of great demo methodology. It is a way of creating and delivering surprisingly compelling software demonstrations. That's great demo.
Okay, great. And why are you doing this? What's the business need?
So people have been presenting and delivering demonstrations for dozens of years, and most of those demos are either mediocre or they fail. There's a crying need to improve the practice of preparing and delivering demonstrations. It's a key component of sales cycles. When demos go well, the sales cycles continue. When demos fail or go poorly, sales cycles come to a crashing halt.
Now, you've been doing this for quite a few years. What are some of the major mistakes that you see?
Three major mistakes. Number one, an inadequate discovery or qualification step. In other words, not investing enough time to understand our customer's situation. How can you possibly present a solution if you don't understand the customer's problem with sufficient detail? That's number one. Number two is taking, I think the term is freaking forever to get to the point. Taking forever to get to the point. 20 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour or longer to finally show the customer that end result that they're looking for. Bring it right up front. And the third issue is just showing far too much. Capabilities, features, functions, the customer has no interest in seeing.
Right. How has the demo changed over the years since you started?
So demos, in one sense, haven't changed at all. From the day of banging two rocks together to make the first bit, what has changed is the vehicle. From DOS to client server to SaaS to software in the cloud, the vehicle of delivering the software has changed rather dramatically. But the key principles of what do we want to show and how do we want to show it, what is the customer looking for, those ideas really haven't changed.
You talked a little bit about SaaS and software as a service, the cloud, living there. How does the nature of SaaS sales affect how the demo is conducted?
Oh, they make demos dramatically easier to prepare and deliver than they used to be. Now you can prepare and provision demos on the fly right away without having to haul hardware around and with just effectively enormously lightweight internet access and setups. It's a delight today.
What's your take on Sales 2.0?
Sales 2.0. What is Sales 2.0? I would ask you that.
Well, I think it's kind of the next stage in helping to automate kind of the sales process, right? You're working off of the cloud and using the SaaS model.
Interestingly, one might say there is always a quest for a Sales 2.0, which is always that next future set of tools and automation and technology to help a salesperson get their job done more effectively. I think that's Sales 2.0, and we may never ever get to a Sales 2.0. It's a future horizon.
As we kind of wrap up here and you're about to start, what are 3 tips that you can give us to take our demo from being good to great?
Excellent question. Number one, perform that qualification and discovery work so you really do understand the customer's situation sufficiently. Number two, gain an understanding as part of that, what do they want out of the software? What's the end deliverable they want to have in their virtual hands, if you will? And then present that deliverable right up front, right away, so you can see if it resonates and it's where the customer wants to go. Number three, stay focused on the specific capabilities the customer is looking for and hold back on showing all those features and functions that you love because they may not be relevant to what the customer's situation is. Those are the 3 key things.
Peter, thank you so much for spending some time with us. I'm wondering if we wanted to learn more information, how could we learn more?
Well, thank you. You navigate swiftly and certainly to www.secondderivative.com or simply send me an email at pcohan@secondderivative.com. Thanks very much.
Thank you.